Quebec, where Europe's influence still lingers, with French culture still at its heart, shaped over more than 400 years. So Thanksgiving এর long weekend-এ Quebecটা ঘুরে ফেললাম. Moved to Toronto in August, and September flew by. New job, new life, new everything. And finally, fall colors are what we're chasing. And nothing beats the Quebec fall vibes. So starting it, we're grabbing lunch based on Google reviews at a random shawarma place beer করে ফেললাম, and it was good, not bad. Right now we're passing through Ottawa, which is the capital of Canada. Canadaর যে 10টা প্রভিন্স তার মধ্যে অন্টারিও প্রভিন্সটাকে আমরা সবাই চিনি because Toronto অন্টারিওতে and Ottawa অন্টারিওতে. So right now we're going to another province যেটা হলো Quebec province. Quebec province এর আমাদের first stop হলো Mont Tremblant, the place known for its beautiful mountains and for now colors since we're in fall. So ফলের ঠিক পরে ক্যানাডাটা হয়ে যাবে একটা Harry Potter Deathly Hallows set, frozen, snow covered and unbearable. Which is why সবাই এখানে চলে আসছে. Look at this traffic, look at this queue. And কেনই বা সবাই এভাবে পাগলের মতো ওয়েট করতেছে endless একটা লাইনে? Well, you will find out soon enough. After a 10-minute trek, I found myself at the top, overlooking Mont Tremblant. Felt like everything slowed down for a second. Sunset skies, colorful roofs, and people enjoying being alive. We are headed to Montreal now because that's where we're gonna stop for the night. And of course, the night stroll is mandatory. Calling it a day. And I have to add that the hospitality in North America feels different. It's less personal and it's not what we're used to back home. I hope slept well, woke up early in the morning and grabbed coffee, started off for the next destination that is towards Quebec City. Well, actually we're gonna drive 15 minutes past Quebec City because we're going to the tallest falls, Montmorency Falls. Yeah, Niagara might get all the fame, but Montmorency stands even taller at around 83 meters. As you can hear it roar, it's powerful. And wait till we stand right in front of it. We then had a very quick, light lunch from Amir and checked into our stay after a long day. Up next, we made our way to the Plains of Abraham, which is not just a scenic park, this is the historic battlefield where the British and French fought and then shaped the future of Canada. Tried Quebec's famous poutine for dinner, then ended the night after exploring old Quebec under the evening lights. This This is the last day of our trip and also going to be the very best day because today we are going to walk the most famous and the most photographed street of Quebec City, known as Petit-Champlain. Petit-Champlain. I might be saying it wrong. Excuse my French, I definitely did not say it right. Anyhow, so we are looking at the prettiest place ever. The beautiful cobblestone streets, small, cozy shops, and old European feel that makes you slow down. I was trying to get to the funicular, but it is closed. It is the train that goes steep. This also happens to be the same road that has the umbrellas, the umbrella lane, so we took some amazing pictures here while soaking in more of Quebec City's charm. Before heading back to Toronto, we made one last stop in Montreal for lunch with Vietnamese food, and it was the best possible ending to the trip.